Hi, today I am going to tell you and show you Mozio exclusive product range click push button diverters which comes into 4-way and 5-way with thermostat. So as you can see, there is a push button diverter which is called click, and you can control the volume of the water from here. So as you can see, you can rotate and control the volume of water. You can adjust the temperature from thermostat. You can get this exclusive diverter in multiple finishes like gold, rose gold, black matte, and as you know, chrome is always available. So we are not only giving you this diverter, also giving you the body jet, this multi-function shower, hand shower and spout. So from these 4-way diverters, you can even control 5 functions. As you can see, there is 2 functions: overhead shower, body jet, hand shower, and connected with the spout. So there is a 5 function which is operated by 4-way click push button thermostatic diverters under the roof of Mozio, which is available in Glazica Italian bath. Please visit our showroom, get exclusive special offer by the reference of this video. Thank you.